in this video, I'm going to show you how you can construct any arbitrary DAG or directed acyclic graph in Orchestra. So to start, either create a new pipeline or head to an existing one and press edit. Some of the feedback we got was that a UI-based orchestration tool might not be able to handle sort of any series of tasks. So, it's fairly straightforward. So to add a task that depends on another task, select the three dots and click Add Task Group. If we put in some dummy data here, we can now, draw a dependency between this task and any other one. So say we wanted this guy to depend on him, you can just draw that over. And say you wanted this to depend on that, you can draw that over. And you can kind of go crazy, right? So you can go ahead and draw that over there, go ahead and make that depend on that, even though it doesn't need to make that depend on that. You can actually create circuited dependencies. I don't know, can you? I think that should fail. Yeah, so we've got a circuited dependency, which obviously isn't good. So I'll have to try and delete that somehow. But if I hit save and exit again, that does work. So yeah, that's how you draw dependencies in Orchestra.